Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, poem The Swing, part 2. I, Ritu Bishramola, your English teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, as we read the poem The Swing in our last video class, so today we will do question answers and word meaning. Children, let's have a look on the difficult words with their meaning. So first word is pleasantest. Pleasantest means most enjoyable. Next word is cattle. So cattle means a herd of cows and bulls. Next word is countryside. Countryside means land with fields, farms, etc. So children, let's start with the page number 125, making connections. Children, circle the things that the child can see from up in the air. So what things the child can see from up in the air? So the child can see brown roof, green garden, cows, rivers, fields. Question number 2. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. Children, lines are: how do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. So children, according to this line, give the answer. How is the child moving in the air? So take the answer. And the options are: she is turning round and round, she is going up and down, or she is moving from side to side. The children, how is the child moving in the air? So the right answer is she is going up and down. Swings go up and down, na? So how is the child moving in the air? She is going up and down. Let's do the B part. A child is speaking in the poem. How is the child up in the air? Children, the child is up in the air on a swing. So children, let's do question number 3. And the question is, how do we know that the child likes being up in the air? So children, we know that the child likes being up in the air because child, he or she calls it the pleasantest thing. Question number 4. Do you like to go up in a swing? Children, do you like to go up in a swing? Give reason for your answer. And your answer must be yes, I like to go up in a swing because the swing gives us a sense of power that we do not have when we are on the ground. We can get a view all over the countryside when they swing. So children, yes, I like to go up in a swing because it is enjoyable. So right children, I like to go up in a swing because it is enjoyable. So children, let's do word rainbow. Writing about the colors of things help us imagine them better. In the poem, we see the air so blue, the roof so brown, and so on. So children, let us make a word rainbow. Write as many as things as you can think of for each color. So children, in the rainbow, how many colors are there? There are 7 colors. Vibgyor. So first color is red. So rose is red color and the stop sign in traffic signal. Next color is orange and orange color is oranges, marigold. Next one is yellow. Then yellow color is mustard field. Mustard fields have yellow colors. Then comes green. Then comes green and leaves have green colors. And the next word is blue. Next color is blue and our sky is blue and our curtains can be blue. Next color is indigo. Indigo and indigo color is ink in a pen. And the next color is violet. Then violet color is brinjal. So these colors in the rainbow. So children, I hope all the questions based on this poem now clear to you. So homework is do all the question answers and word meaning in your English Mulberry copy. We'll do the next topic in our next video class. Till then, bye-bye.